Hi Year 3, it's Miss Talbot. Today I'm going to show you how to use the expanded method for multiplication. I'll be following the same steps to success that you have on your home learning screen today. Make sure you use the steps too. Why don't you grab a pencil and paper and follow along with me. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is very simple, read our calculation. So we've got 23 times 8. Now we're going to draw our table. I'm going to write my numbers like this. Do a line underneath and put my times sign so I remember what operation I'm using. Now see how I've put my ones in this column and I've started my tens here. Okay, next we are going to multiply the ones. 3 times 8. Use your knowledge of your times tables to help you. So 8, 16, 24. I'm going to put my answer here. Can you see how I've got my ones in this column and I've kept my tens in this column? Next I'm going to multiply my tens. So I've got 20 times 8. Now I like to make a little key facts box to help me solve my larger multiplications. I know that 10 times 8 equals 80. So 20 times 8, I just need to double it. 80 add 80, 160. I'm going to write my answer over here. I've kept my ones, my tens, and now I've started hundreds. Okay, our next step is to add them together. So 4 add 0 is 4. 20 add 60 is 80, and then I've got my 100 here. Okay, so I think my answer is 184. But how can I check? Well, this is our final step. We're going to check using the grid method. Now the grid method is our main Year 3 method. So it's really good to refer back to it to check our workings out. So 23 times 8, I'm going to put my 20 here and 3, partitioning it into tens and ones. And I'm going to put my 8 here. So starting with the ones like we did before, 3 times 8, 8, 16, 24. 20 times 8, I used my little key facts up here, didn't I? 80 add 80 is 160. And then all we need to do is add them together. I'm feeling quite confident because I've got the same numbers I had before. 160, 170, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184. And that's the same answer I got here. I'm even using a little bit of mental maths to help me. Okay, and that's how you use the expanded method.